welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Well, like all my recipes, today's recipe too is going to be quick, easy, yet delicious. So, without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. So friends, let's see how to prepare this kanji or PEZ. It's very simple and it gets ready also very fast. So now I have taken about 1 cup of rice. This will be sufficient for about 4 people. And I've washed it thrice under running water and I've put double the quantity of water. Now I've brought it to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, I've added some salt to taste. Stir it in so that the salt gets evenly distributed. And now we're just going to lower our flame and we are going to cook this till the rice is nice and soft. So this has to be, the rice has to be really very soft. So we have to keep boiling it on a low to medium flame and keep stirring in between. Keep checking on the rice. The water should not dry up. And if you find that the water has dried up, then you can just add some hot water. Don't add cold water because then the entire consistency will change of the PEZ. So just add some hot water if you find that the water has dried up. And when you come to know when the PEZ is ready, when you get this thick soupish kind of consistency, you know, where the rice is nice and cooked. And then you can just serve this with some pickle. Now I have the miscut pickle which I had uploaded on my channel. I'll leave a link below. I have other pickle recipes also like tendli pickle or tendli pickle and brinjal pickle. I'll upload those too. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below what you thought of today's recipe. Do share my recipes with family and friends. Spread the word about Akshata's Recipes. You can also follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and I also have my own blog. All links are going to be down in the description box below, as well as the comment section below, as well as today's recipe, the entire recipe with all the ingredients, the exact measurements, the method, everything is going to be in the description box below. So be sure to go and click it, and you can find everything there. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. I need those likes. Just click the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the red subscribe button that you see somewhere below the screen. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will pop up. Click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you will get a message for the same. Also, when I'm online, you can chat with me. You'll get a message that Akshata is online doing a live stream, so you can be a part of the live stream too. So friends, thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. So I'll sign off, but before signing off, let me tell you my message as usual, which is stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till we meet again, this is Akshata signing off. Bye.